You're driving to work, music playing, coffee in hand, and then boom, your check engine light flashes on. Instant panic. But what if I told you that fix might cost you $0 if you just know what to do next before you call a mechanic or panic about a $2,000 repair? Watch this video. I'm going to show you the exact first step that could save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars. Now listen, that little orange light? It doesn't always mean your car is dying sometimes. It just means your gas cap isn't tight enough. Yep, seriously. That's actually a thing, so don't freak out, grab a scanner, not your wallet. Here's what every smart car owner should own: an OBD to scanner. If your car was made after 1996, you're golden. You can get a basic scanner like this one for around $25, or go pro with something like this. Either way, they do the job. Just plug it into the OBD to port, usually right under your steering wheel. Turn the key to the on position, and boom, you're scanning. It'll give you a code, something like P0106 or P0300. Sounds like robot talk. I get it, but don't worry. For example, today I got a code for the map sensor, manifold absolute pressure. Sounds fancy, right? But all it might need is a good cleaning. If that doesn't work, then you look into replacing it or checking the wiring. That's the beauty of having a scanner. No guessing, no panic, just knowledge, and knowledge is power. You work hard for your money, so don't just hand it over to a shop that might charge you $500 for a $50 fix. This channel exists to put that power back in your hands, because the pride you feel when you fix your own car, it's real, and the savings? Even better. And hey, if your check engine light's been on lately, drop a comment below with the code you got and how you fixed it. You might help someone else avoid a costly repair or even a breakdown on the side of the road. More DIY tips, scanner reviews, and fix guides are on the way. So hit that subscribe button. Don't just fix your car, fix your ride, fix your finances, and take control of the road. See you in the next one.